Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to work on a new and different way of earning so that Solidray project is a real earning platform. So you must have to join that Solidray project. And in this Solidray project, you have to do one thing only you can stick. You can earn or you can buy this as tokens and hold it for a few months or weeks. It will give you a lot of profit when its price is an increase, maybe when it will be soon. So first of all, I have to give you a review. For you have to justify complete by that video because I will tell you everything about that Solidray project. So you have to watch must divide the full video. So let's start the video. Link is available in the video description. So just click on the link and you will be directed to this page, and then you have to just follow this video to and buying Turban. So it's a home. You can check out that. So that Ray creating a safe space for the blockchain community. Then the buy now option is given is also here, and you can check out the buy now option is also here. So, and you can check it, all other things are given here, and the ref are a friend. And get a reward via our affiliate program. You can just click on that you will be rejected to the raffle system. So you have to just copy your link and share it. Anyway, as you want to share, and you can just click on Start Revolution. It's a symbol of the Solidray and get started. You just click on the Get Started for starting, and you can secure wallet and put your other things. You just create your username, your full name, last name, email, and your country, code and number, and then click on the refer code required and just click on the request password. And you have to already an account, you just click on the login for login your account. And you can create your refers. So secure that connection and passive income, safe and secure. These are the main features of Solidray project. You are served as a secure way to store SART tokens and earn passive income. And the live Verit update wallet bonuses are also given. Whatever we offer. Stacking an affiliate program, you can read it about it, and if you want to know more, you can contact customer service too. And there was a stacking option. I have to just maybe go back. So there is an option of stacking. You just click on the stacking for redirecting to the stacking page. You can take a crypto stacking. Explain. What is that and how does it work? What is stacking, how it works, crypto affiliate programs. All has been detailed information written here. You can read it by yourself. Top nation commission examples, also lending, trading, DeFi, NFs, and payments. You can check out the percentage, and the fixed amount is also given here. And you can check out that referral for creating your referrals, as you can just click on the reference as you can just create. And after a fast level, you will get 5, 2, third person 1, and after 45, you will get ones same as 3 side tracking. So you have to just go back by the main purposes of the Solidray project form. So we have to just go to further financials. How to buy that, as that will guide you this video. You can click on this video for redirecting and buying this token. Or I will show you that how you can buy tokens if you do not understand. You can ask me in the comments section, or you can see this video only for buying on Pancake's web. And the hour away, and what is their vision? We understand that rapid innovation that is the happening in the crypto spaces and the need to bring financial inclusion to everyone around the world while bringing digital assets education to every country in the world. Users would need to buy, sell, trade, and share digital assets amongst themselves with Solidray utilities. Download our audit report or to learn more about us. Read our white paper to understand more about what we do. You can download white paper, and you can download the audit report. Maybe they will be the same. So I have just opened the white paper. You can check out the white paper. The important links is website, Twitter, GitHub, YouTube, Instagram, and Telegram are the most important. Welcome to Solidray. So this information is also given about Solidray. Our mission versus their mission, control their money, the ability to access their funds anytime, anywhere, and the safeguard the data. Cryptography secured blockchain makes data tampering highly unlikely. And the protected identity. No central entity can compromise your identity. So you can read all of the features here. It's a bit. And scalability, and the innovative is used as the interfaces. Also, this feature is given in our vision. And you can read about that, our values. And the next Solidray token, the Solidray token SORT, will function as the base trading pair for all digital assets offered throughout our ecosystem in the order to create scarcity and increase the value of the token and a bit market stability. So you can check out that the Pancake Swap or ByTax 3 buy on Pancake Swap We have ones from the buy transaction will be redistributed to the holders as reflections. One of the average by transaction is converted into liquidity and automatically have to create price stability. One is of the sales tax will fund the marketing vary to the marketing vary to the market solid. In certain pancakes, wrap same options had 3 sell tax. Of muscle distributors to the holders and the reflections and the overalls and the transaction to be converted to the liquidity. Same are written here. You can check out that the total pages as a 27. You can tell that now we are at the 27 tokenomics you can read at that tokenomics 20 exchange listing, and 5 VO go to the private sales and 5 is goes to marketing. Total supply, you can check in 10 billionaires and 40 IDO and 10 go to team tokens vesting 365 days and the 20 referral and stacking. Team token name as the Solidray token. Initial token type is sort. Total supply, you can check out that. In the Solidray ecosystem get explained here. You can read it out, and our products are also given here. The 3.0 you can see here. The second of the white paper explains implicitly sincerely our solutions, and you can read out all about that in the current share exchanges and dispute the growing adoption of decentralized exchanges. Not much is yet known about their market equality. To shed light on this issue, we compared decentralized blockchain-based venue DEX to decentralized crypto exchanges SEX by accessing 2 key aspects of the market quality. So this feature is also given here. You can scroll down by it and you can read it all about the country, exchange registration and partnerships, also registration, EDU, and check out the article of the corporation. And partners also given some sub-fire blocks, chain license and block ready. You can go to ConShare Academy and module beginners. What is the blockchain technology use case of the blockchain intermediate advanced? You can all features as expendably enough to marketplace. And other is a Solidray launchpad is also given here in the DeFi wallet availability. DeFi wallet aims to create a new financial ecosystem that unifies the correct DeFi landscape. The projects will provide an easy-to-use platform by leveraging multi-asset crypto financing capabilities on different blockchains. Are compatible multi-chain decentralized divided plus MTA storage will allow investors to track cross-chain investment all in the platform. So that's the big feature, and that you can check the roadmap at Q1 2023. Global press release, pre-campaigns, and thumb-paid media banner ad campaign, celebrity brand ambassador partnerships, and the Solid Pay payment gateway development first SEX listing. Irite at the Q2 2023. Neft marketplace development, more listing on exchanges, IFD giveaway of our community, peer campaign, grand marketing. Teams will go to the world's largest crypto expo to showcase Solidray. At the CRE 2023, DeFi wallet development, CoinShare Philippines launch, and the DeFi wallet beta launch in App Play Store, Global Solidray Foundation, Solidray blockchain network development, and continuous marketing, more blockchain solutions development. If you can check out there that in the future here to the moon. At the Q4, you can check out that Q4 brand identity and website release. Security adults for Solidray token. Start public sales, official launch of the Solidray, listing on PancakeSwap.com and CoinEcho, and start a strategic partnership. Centralized trading resolution. CoinShare Exchange. Goes live. And partners you can check out. The 22 and the Bree Group Coin Market League, and you can all check out that third plant independent Volcania future partnerships ahead. And meet our motivated team, even Joseph Funder and Chief Executive Officer, and the Elmer Esaresca co-founder, and the Alexandra Gaffer Chief Legal and Compliance Officer, and Danny Rivera Chief Technology Officer, Omar Mackin Head of Marketing, Sanando Magsino Jershire Community Manager. That you can check out all their payments here, and that's the end of the white paper. So hybrid exchange is also given here, and the Bitcoin, Ethereum, at either BNB. All graphs are given here. Our hybrid action is like a custodial exchangeable for everyone around the world. To use Find More, you can click on the formula for reading out the About It. Ecosystem, a centralized exchange, decentralized exchange, DeFi wallet, launched an NFT marketplace. You can check out that this is the ecosystem. And the roadmap. I've already told you that what is the roadmap in the white paper and at the tokenomics. You can check out the contracted as you can copy it and go to the PancakeSwap web, and the option is given here. Are you going to go to Kamic for buying this token? Networks' smart chain and the token supplier's serrated token serve as a symbol, and the total supply is generated and the decimal is 18. And you can see how much this percentage of the title will be distributed, and you can change the way to the Bisart Pancake swap the flows. These are the platforms. These are the giving by. As our team, I have already told about them, and you can check out them. Frequently asked questions are given also here. You can read it out all about it. And the Brewer Group, Volcania, Hybrid Tech Group, and the Platinum, Coin Market League, all other partners. And that you can get the support absolutely if you have any questions. So we have to just go to Mainfire, where we can just click on the bio for buying the token and click on the Pancake Swap or redirecting that path. In the desk, you don't have to add any contracts here. By clicking on the Pancake Swap app, because it will be redirected to the Pancake Swap throughout the Solid platform, and you have to just put the amount of NB which you want to buy. For example, I have to just put 5 BNB. You can check that how much shard I will get from 0 with 5. You can check out that the 20 that maybe it's a higher per amount of SARD I will get. And I have just a hold for a physical. Just click on the connector for connecting the world. You can connect the injected MetaMask balance Coinbase, or you just click on the more for more Opera Wallet, Meth Wallet, Token Pocket, SafePal, Coin98, and Blockdo. Ledger, these are the wallets can be connected to this platform. And you can check it with the graph, and the price is still going up. Maybe it will be soon rise up, and you will earn a lot of profit by holding it. So soon. And that's the video. If you like that, or if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. If you liked it, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to get daily updates. So see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.